What did you say his power level is? It's over 9,000! 9,000?! There's no way that could be right! It can't!
Don't be so sure.
Look at those skewers, look good. It's a beautiful day out here, y'all. There's not that many people out though today. Nice and sunny. Got my girls over there sitting on the lawn. It's a good day today. Chicken on a stick. Now we can start flipping. Oh yeah, look at that. We'll be back. All right, now we got the main attraction. Sausage, lamb, onions, baby portobellos, and peppers. Now, all of them don't have lamb on them. Some just have sausage like this one, but some of them have lamb and sausage. Wish I had that smello vision. Oh yeah, I'm losing some of my peppers. Hold on, they're not done yet. Oh, you can eat a pepper if you want. So we'll go ahead and let these crank on this side, and then we'll be right back, y'all. Toss the mushroom to the game.
He ate the burger anyway.
I tried not to. It was too good.
Hey y'all.
Hey, what's going on, party people?
So this is a highly requested video. You guys have been asking for this mukbang. So we finally, are doing it today. And it's gonna be the husband and wife edition. It's so good. You take this off.
Grass-fed, aged beef, steak, burger.
So you gotta let it drip. You don't need no napkin.
I need a napkin for me. I need a napkin. If you can incorporate a happy dance, that's a good meal.
Yes. Did you clean up after yourself?
Yes, I did. I'm not even going to let you all see me devour this next one, but trust me, it's going to meet the Clean Plate Club.
They're not going to embarrass you. Y'all not going to laugh, right? I mean, he a man. He going to eat the burger regardless, whether it's on camera or not on camera.
Whatever, bye.
See y'all later. Tell him go to sleep. Just tell him go to sleep.
I won the itis. My favorite prize.
And look, I'm about to show y'all the kitchen. Just to be on some other stuff right now. I'm about to tell you. I'm about to show you the kitchen.
I'll have you know I was trained in the art of Kaioken.
Kaioken? K-O